Zeolites are unique minerals. They're formed in volcanic eruptions. When a volcano erupts, the lava and the ash goes into saltwater and freshwater playa lakes, and it forms these open minerals with cage-like structures. They're also one of the few negatively charged minerals found in nature. Because of their cage-like structure and their negative charge, it has the ability to draw to itself these heavy metals and toxins and compounds like nitrosamines, draw them into the cage and remove them from the body. The natural cellular defense is based on a zeolite called clinoptilolite, which has been used for over 800 years in traditional medicine. It's completely safe and non-toxic and has GRAS status, generally recognized as safe by the US FDA. It's not absorbed at all. It doesn't depot in the body. It simply goes into the body and comes out. It's a very passive product. As I said before, you ingest a clean cage and you excrete a dirty one. There were 3 published studies with this particular zeolite, and they were done in ruminants, goats, cows, and sheep. And they found that all the animals were given supplementation, and half the animals were given this particular zeolite. And the animals that got the zeolite had higher nutritional status than the animals not given the zeolite. And the thought is not only the zeolite not robbing them of the essential nutrients as it's taking out these toxins and heavy metals, it's actually allowing them to get better use from the nutrition they're taking in. So it's actually a nutritional enhancer. Well, certainly the powdered form is available and it has been used throughout history, but understand that the powdered form does already have some toxins in it. It has drawn to itself toxins from nature, and they need to be removed. We heat the zeolite, the molecule, in a slightly acidic solution, and this molecule, for all practical purposes, is an invincible molecule. It can't be broken. It takes 900 degrees, 5 hours to crack the zeolite molecule. So you can't break it, but in a heat, in a slightly acidic solution, we can lengthen the chemical bond. So we can't break the cage, but we can bend the bars. And when we do so, we empty out the cage, we clean it out, and it becomes much, much more active. And so this activated liquid zeolite is anywhere from 9 to 20 times more active than any powdered zeolite available. If you look at what the zeolite does, what the natural cellular defense is capable of doing in removing the toxins and heavy metals from the body, in essence, it's really a mechanism to something else. The fact of the matter is, it has a physical, quantifiable mechanism of action. We know what it does, and its action, because of its action, it has profound implications on our future health and wellness. And so most of the experiences people have with natural cellular defense are simply downstream reactions of a healthier body.